Hey guys, Jordana here from Hart Nutrition. So just as a reminder, I'm a holistic nutritionist and I run the health and wellness blog Hart Nutrition, which is an Instagram account and a blog. I'm making a healthy granola and I'm using the brand Royal Nuts to make this super nutrient dense, healthy fats, and I'm gonna just walk you guys through it. So I've been using this product for a few years now. They have so many different forms, some organic, some unsalted, some roasted. Today I think I'm just using unsalted and raw. So I've got almonds here, walnuts, and cashews. So before this video, I already had half the container because they're so good. Another reason I love the company Royal Nuts is that they offer a peanut-free facility. So that's awesome for anyone who has an allergy, especially with families who may be able to eat nuts but are allergic to peanuts. And as a bonus, everything there is gluten-free, which is such a perk. So if you wanted, you could just use, I think they have a mixed nuts option, so you could use that. Apparently I've been snacking on the walnuts as well. Okay, so now that that is done, I have a big bowl here. Okay, now I need to add the other ingredients, which is cinnamon, vanilla, oats, and what am I forgetting? Coconut oil. So now I'm adding in 2 cups of oats. Okay, I'm just gonna eyeball vanilla. Okay, so now I'm adding in coconut oil and I'm gonna stir this all together. So now I need a spoon. It's already really good. Baking sheet, parchment paper. Parchment's the best if you don't want anything to stick. And now I'm taking the granola and I'm just gonna, woo, obviously need to get every last bit. Granola is done. It tastes so good. I'm definitely gonna have to put this into a jar or else I'm gonna eat it all at once. End result is thebomb.com. The granola is ready. It tastes amazing and I'm gonna have to put this into a jar before I eat the whole thing.